Hey guys, this is Roborock S7 Max V Ultra. So this is our new flagship robot vacuum system. And what's good about it is that it has a dock, an Ultra dock basically, that self-cleans, self-empty, and self-refill. So basically what you need to do is really just to get the robot vacuum out there, cleaning your floors, coming back. It washes its own mop. By the way, this is the robot vacuum that mops. So it washes its own mops. It takes care of the dustbin. It takes care of the dust for about 7 weeks, more or less. So you don't have to do that. And on the hardware end, this is a robot vacuum that actually identifies obstacles. So it has obstacle recognition. So it identifies obstacles in front of it, like shoes, socks, and even pet accidents. So it cleans around it, so you don't get any messes there. And it also has a very strong mopping system. So we have what we call the Roborock technology, which is a combination of number one, sonic mopping, and number two, an intelligent mop lift that avoids wetting your carpets. So this is the underside of the robot vacuum. This is the mop, right? This is the brush, and this is the side brush. Yeah. So this dock, basically, when this goes back to the dock, this is being scrubbed by this module here. It goes left to right, scrubbing on this mop. So this mop stays clean for the next run. So this part here is the module that vibrates, like left to right, at very, very high rate, up to 3,000 times per minute. So that's what we call sonic mopping. Why do we need this? Because we need something more active to scrub against the dirt on the floor, to disintegrate the difficult stains. So this is a very powerful cleaning robot that takes care of everything. So you have a lot of convenience and you don't have to worry too much about it. And this is the S7 Max V Ultra. It's coming to the United States in early Q2, possibly April, and it retails for $1,400 US.